On Thursday night, UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson joined thousands of Brits who stood clapping outside their homes to pay tribute to the nation's health workers. But by Friday morning, he was delivering a message of a more personal kind.
I've developed mild symptoms of the coronavirus, that's to say a temperature and a persistent cough. And on the advice of the chief medical officer, I've taken a test that has come out positive. So I am working from home, I'm self-isolating, and that's entirely the right thing to do.
The Prime Minister, who at the beginning of the month admitted he was still shaking hands, is thought to be the first world leader to announce they've got the virus. His fiancée, who is pregnant, is also self-isolating.
But be in no doubt that I can continue, thanks to the wizardry of modern technology, to communicate with all my top team to lead the national fight back against coronavirus.
The British Health Secretary Matt Hancock has also tested positive, and the nation's Chief Medical Officer Chris Whitty has symptoms. There are now concerns for many more ministers and advisors who've been in contact with the trio in recent days. In Spain, which has recorded more deaths than China, field hospitals are being set up to relieve the overwhelmed health system. On Friday, the country reported its highest one-day death toll of 769. But the number of new infections slowed slightly, with a 14% rise in fresh cases compared to an 18% rise on Thursday.
A lot is left to do, but the truth is that the numbers are, little by little, showing us it's possible we might have arrived at the peak of our cases.
In Italy, where hospitals are also overwhelmed, doctors are clinging to the hope that the country may also be nearing its peak.
I think now, with the help of the public who are respecting the lockdown rules, we will probably begin to see the effects of that behaviour, and we should see less people arriving in the emergency ward. But at the moment, the numbers are stable, not declining.
And finally, some help for the exhausted Italian medical staff. Russian military medics have arrived with specialist disinfection units to help hospitals reduce the risk of in-house spreading. And Germany, which has been accused of not showing solidarity with its European neighbours during the outbreak, has also agreed to take in some critical Italian patients to help ease the strain. Sarah Morice, TRT World.